go. Okay guys, so we're going to start a Cessna 172 in Foxtrot Whiskey Charlie, both hot and cold starts together. So first step, make sure your seatbelts are on, circuit breakers are all in, confirm that and check. Park brake is on, so put your toes on brakes, and that's on. Avionic master is off, mixture on idle cutoff, throttle in 18 inches, so just a little bit. So rotating beacon is on, master switch can come on. Brakes again, make sure confirm they are on. Fuel shut-off valve should be on, and fuel selector confirm they are on both. And clear the area, so clear prop. So fuel pump comes on, mixture is rich for about 3 seconds and should see indication for fuel flow. Fuel pump off, mixture idle cut off, and then we'll get the keys and start her up. So always have your hand on the mixture.